Hi children, how are you? I hope you finished your worksheet what I had given in our previous class. Before going to our topic, I just explain you that worksheet. Let us see the worksheet. Children, here we have some pairs of numbers. Now we have to compare these pairs and put suitable symbol which is less than or greater than or equal to in the given blank. Let us see the first pair of numbers. Here we have 25 and 30. From the knowledge of counting numbers, already we know that 25 is the smaller number and 30 is the bigger number. So, we are comparing smaller number with bigger number. So, we should use less than symbol to write the relation, and we can read it as 25 is less than 30. See the next pair of numbers. Here we have 5 and 3. We know that 5 is the bigger number and 3 is the smaller number. Here we are comparing a bigger number with smaller number. So we should use greater than symbol, and we can read it as 5 is greater than 3. In the next pair, we are comparing 84 with 55. It is clear that 84 is the bigger number and 55 is the smaller number from the knowledge of counting numbers. So, we are comparing bigger number with smaller number. We should use greater than symbol to say the relation. And we can read it as 84 is greater than 55. Let us see the next row. It also has 3 pairs of numbers. First pair has 45 and 26. Out of these two numbers, 45 is the bigger number, 26 is the smaller number. Here we are comparing bigger number with smaller number. So, we should use greater than symbol. The next pair has 21 and 33. Here, 21 is the smaller number and 33 is the bigger number. We are comparing smaller number with bigger number. So, here we should use less than symbol. The next pair has 90 and 99. Here 90 is the smaller number, 99 is the bigger number. We are comparing a smaller number with bigger number. So, we should use less than symbol. Let us see the next row of numbers. Here also we have 3 pairs of numbers. Out of this, the first pair has 2 same numbers. Those are 11 and 11. So, to represent the relation, we should use is equal to. The next pair consists of 75 and 57. Here 75 is the bigger number and 57 is the smaller number. Now we are comparing bigger number with smaller number. So we should use greater than symbol. The next pair has 78 and 87. Here also 78 is the smaller number and 87 is the bigger number. So we should use less than symbol to compare these numbers. Let us see the next row. Here the first pair has 15 and 32. Here 15 is the smaller number, 32 is the bigger number. So we should use less than symbol and we can read as 15 is less than 32. The next pair has two same numbers. To say the relation between two same numbers, we should use is equal to. And then next pair, that is last pair, has 65 and 69. Here we are comparing 65 with 69. 65 is the smaller number, 69 is the bigger number. So to compare these numbers, we should use less than symbol and we call it as 65 is less than 69. Children, now I am going to discuss about increasing order and decreasing order of given numbers. Is it clear, children? Increasing order and decreasing order of given numbers. Let us see about increasing order. Increasing order. Increasing order means the arrangement of numbers from small to big. Listen, children. Increasing order means the arrangement of numbers from small to big. Let us see some examples to learn about increasing order. Here I am taking 4 single digit numbers. Those are 9, 5, 7, 1. These are all single digit numbers. To get an increasing order of these numbers, we should arrange these numbers from small number to a big number. That means by arranging these numbers from small to big, we get increasing order of these numbers. To arrange these numbers from small to big, we should know which is the smallest number. Understood, children? To arrange these numbers from small to big, we should know which is the smallest number. Already we know counting numbers. These start from 1. From the knowledge of counting numbers, which is the smallest number out of these numbers? That is 1. So, we should arrange 1 at first position of the increasing order. Increasing order means arrangement of numbers from small to big. Here the smallest number is 1. So we should write this number at first position of the increasing order. Let us go back to our numbers. Here, after rewriting 1 at first position of increasing order, we have only 3 numbers. Those are 9, 5, 7. Out of these numbers, which is the smallest one? That is 5. So, we should write 5 at second position of the increasing order. Again, get back to our given numbers. After rewriting 5 in increasing order, here we have only 2 numbers. Those are 9 and 7. Out of these 2 numbers, which is the smaller number? That is 7. So, we should write 7 at third position of the increasing order. Then, we should write the remaining number 9 at the last position of the increasing order. So, 1, 5, 7, 9 is the increasing order of the given numbers. Let us see one more example on single digit numbers. Here I am taking 6, 2, 8, 4. Out of these 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? That is 2. So, we should write this 2 at first position of the increasing order. Because increasing order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. So, we should write 2 at first position of the increasing order. By rewriting this 2 at first position of increasing order, we have only 3 numbers in the given numbers. Now we have to compare these numbers to get smallest number. By comparing 6, 8, 4, which is the smallest number? That is 4. So, we should write 4 at second position of the increasing order. By rewriting this at second position of increasing order, we have only 2 numbers in the given numbers. Those are 6 and 8. Out of these 2 numbers, which is the smaller one? That is 6. So, we should write 6 at third position of the increasing order. And the last digit and the biggest one is 8, which we should write at last position of the increasing order. Let us take an example from 2-digit numbers. Here I am taking 83, 88, 81, 85. These are all belongs to 80s. To write these numbers in an increasing order, we should get the smallest number among these numbers. Which is the smallest number out of these numbers? That is 81. So, we should write 81 at the first position of the increasing order. After writing 81 in the first position of the increasing order, we have only 3 numbers to compare. By comparing 83, 88 and 85, which is the smallest number? That is 83. So, we should write 83 in the second position of the increasing order. By writing 83 in the increasing order, we have only 2 numbers in the given numbers. Those are 88 and 85. Out of these 2 numbers, which is the smaller number? That is 85. So, we should write 85 at the third position of the increasing order. Then, we should write the remaining number 88 at the last position to get the increasing order of the given numbers. Let us see one more example by taking 2-digit numbers. Here I am taking 29, 21, 26 and 24. These are all related to 20s. That means these all numbers belongs to 20s. Out of these, which is the smallest one? That is 21. So, to write increasing order, we should write the smallest number at first position of increasing order. So, write 21 at first position. By rewriting 21 in the increasing order, here we have only 3 numbers. Those are 29, 26, 24. Out of these 3 numbers, which is the smallest one? That is 24. So, we should write 24 at second position of the increasing order. Can you understand, children? 24 must be right at second position of the increasing order. After rewriting 24 at the second position of the increasing order, we have only 2 numbers in the given numbers. So, from these 2 numbers, we have to select smaller number, that is 26, because 26 comes before 29. So, we should write 26 at third position of the increasing order. Next, we have to write the biggest number 29 to get increasing order of the given numbers. Children, it is the time to give worksheet. So, I will discuss decreasing order in the next class. Let us see the worksheet. Here, I am giving some numbers. Now you have to arrange those numbers in increasing order. Okay children, please do this worksheet and get ready for next class.